morning, students. Today we are going to start. The name of a poem is The Sea Treasuries, written by Daphne Listener. Now, students, you might have gone near to the seashore. Yes? Yes, we all have gone once a time. Now, near the beaches, okay? So, how did the sea comes in? Yes, the waves of the sea come in a fast but in a gentle way, okay? Come in a fast but in a gentle way. When it comes very near to the seashore, you can see the height and the speed of the waves, it reduces. Why? Because it always talks with the seashore. The sea is always talking with the seashore. Now, if you have observed near the seashore, you can find the things that the pupil throw in a sea. What the sea do? It never take it inside. It swept out. It leave it out near the seashore. In your house, what your mama does? She clean the house, right? She carry out the sweeping. She swept the house. She collect the dust and throw it in a dustbin. So similar way, the sea, it swept the things, the unwanted things. It throw it out in the seashore. Now, when it throw it out, it come in a force. You have seen the waves, how it comes? Yes, there is a huge waves with a lot of sound. Yes, it come in a force. And sometime when these four waves come very near to the seashore, how is moment? The movement of the water become soft, slow. Okay. So here we can see what the sea is asking. The sea is asking that what you want, what your wish, what you want from me, just you ask, just you say, and the sea try to fulfill the wish. What are the wish? That is, the sea tried to show the treasury, whatever the treasury the sea has. What are the treasury the sea has? The sea has different types of the shells, conch, colorful sea animals, ostriches, seabirds, starfish. Here you can see the children, the pictures, okay? They are the treasures of the sea. And what the sea wants? It keep away. It shows the treasure at the edge of the shore, that is near to the seashore, and shining up bright pebbles. So you can see a different types of a colorful stones. They are shining, right? Some are grey, some are red, some are black. So they are shining within pebbles. There are also shells. Now when we go near the seashore, what we do? We collect the shells and we count it and try to make a score. Okay children? Now, there are the long ribbons of the seaweeds. If we walk throughout the seashores are quite a long distance. Yes? If we will walk through it, we can find several seaweeds are lying near the seashore, making like a ribbons. Some are gold in color, some are red in color. So, who shares to like them? The sea. It shares to like them with us, with the seashore also. And the sea softly said, who to whom? It said to the seashore that the sea like to share all the things, all the treasury that the sea has with him. Okay? So I will now read the poem. In swept the sea with a thrill and a swish. it shimmer and whisper. Choose what you wish. So what the sea is doing? The sea, as the waves is coming, it is sweeping, it is cleaning up the ocean, it is cleaning up the sea with a thrill and squeeze, with a movement, with a circle movement, with a slow movement. Okay? It simmered and whispered. It shows a soft light which seemed to be like a shade, and whisper, that means speak slowly. And what, while speaking slowly, what he say? Choose what you wish, what you want, you make a wish. And the sea show is treasury. And what the, as you say, the seashore said, what he wants to see from the sea. So what the sea do? He open up his treasury. At the edge of the seashore, near the edge, yes, this is the edge, you can see, student. Shining with the bright pebbles, that means different colors of stones, they are shining. And shells by the score. Now in a picture also you can see the pebbles, starfish, shell, corns, all are lying near the seashore. Long ribbons of seabirds. We can find a different types of the seabirds which are very smaller, minute and granular in shape. The stone gold and red. They are sometimes golden color, sometimes red in color. I will share them, I will share. Now who wants to share? The sea want to share. With whom? With the seashore. Why the sea want to share the things with the seashore? The sea want to share the things with the seashore, the treasury with the seashore, so that the pupil can see, because the most of the people, what they do, we all wander, we just go to roam near the seashore, yes, and we can collect those shells and we can pebbles and we can bring those treasury in our house. The sea softly said. Okay. So, you have understood the poem, students? I think you might have understood the poem. So, once again I am reading the poem for you. In swept the sea with a thrill and a squeeze, it shimmer and whisper, choose what you wish. And the sea showed its treasury at the edge of the shore, shining bright pebbles and shells by the score, long ribbon of seaweeds that shone gold and red. I will share them, I will share, the sea softly said. So that's all, students. You might have understood the poem very well. Have a good day. Go through the poem. Okay? Bye.